Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be installing a new part on our 2021 Toyota 4Runner Venture Edition, and currently we are building out this truck into be the ultimate overlanding rig. This is not going to be helping us with overlanding necessarily, but what we did is picked up a new tail light, a new rear light that came out for the 4Runner. You already could see this place is an absolute disaster right now. Essentially what I've been doing the last couple of weekends in my spare time is I am building a Tacoma truck camper, and this is going to be focused mainly on having a killer kitchen. So there's a 2-burner flat top stove, there is a fridge/freezer combo, and I'm building this for a friend, so it's kind of a special build. If you're interested in seeing that Tacoma truck camper build, stay tuned. I do not have a full-length video yet, but I will have one up on the channel at some point whenever that is completed. So I think we should clean this dump up, back the 4Runner closer to the garage, and then let's install our new Morimoto light. One thing that's been really popular on my channel is my custom overland drawer system, and I'm happy to announce that I'd like to design a new one and start manufacturing them for anyone who wants them. So if you're in the Denver metro area, feel free to reach out to me and I'll build you a custom overland system. Here is that stock light we were talking about, and we're going to be replacing it with this one, and right off the bat I just like that a lot more. This might be one of the fastest installs that we could have chosen, but this product just came out on 4Runner Lifestyle's website, and I figured might as well get on top of it and post a video of me installing it, just in case there's no videos online of anybody else installing it. This just simply pops out. So as you can see, the light just has one single clip and 2 screws, and that's about it. So let's go ahead and install this new one. I might be able to do it with one hand here, and then we just need to place that into position and put the 2 screws in. But that already looks sweet, man. So here's that factory 3rd brake light. We'll figure out what to do with this. Maybe we can sell it online or something. Thank you to 4Runner Lifestyle for supplying this part. It looks awesome so far. And if you're somebody that wants to modify their 4Runner but doesn't really know what to do, everything's kind of expensive and you're not very handy, please pick up this 3rd brake light. It's 2 screws, anybody can do it, and I think it's going to really improve the rear end of this truck. Thank you for making it to the end of this video. If you have any business inquiries or just general questions, feel free to contact me in the email listed in the description. And as always, we will see you in the next one.